Welcome to this week's segment of Mysteries of Nature. Today's episode, How to Be a Teenager. We have spent years studying these mammals, and here are the steps we have determined that make one a successful teenager. First, one must be able to sleep for extended periods of time.
Are you gonna get up?
Oh my gosh, it's 6 o'clock on a Saturday.
It's 6 p.m. Sunday.
Oh, I'm going back to bed.
Extended periods of time indeed. The second step to being a successful teenager involves the consumption of food. For a guy, he must eat extreme amounts of food in one sitting.
Oh man, I'm stuffed. Can't eat anymore.
Oh, so is that mine then?
Maybe consumption isn't the right word. For a girl, she has one of two options. The first option, she can live without sufficient amounts of food for a normal body to survive. The second option, she can also eat extreme amounts of food, but never in front of a guy.
Hey, aren't you guys getting lunch?
That is lunch.
All I see is a salad.
Yeah, that's lunch, your point.
Where's the protein?
What's protein?
Oh my goodness.
It's gone. And look at this. Kabam!
Quite the dilemma. When one becomes a teenager, they attain the freedoms provided by driving. The next step to being a successful teenager involves the car. For a male, the car is nothing more than a way to show off his style. Style, indeed. For girls, the car becomes a portable bathroom. Annoying. There are distinct interactions between the two sexes when one is attracted to the other. The next step to being a successful teenager involves failing at those interactions. For a guy, he idolizes the girl in question. However, he shies away from confrontation. When he wants to convey his feelings, he must put everything on the line, requiring all of his courage just to approach her. And then some.
Dude, are you sure you really want to do this?
I'm doing it, man.
Be strong. Be strong. Hey, can I play something?
Yeah, sure, what's up?
Well, I really like you, and I want you to know that I named my wild character after you. Didn't.
He did. However, for girls, when it comes to these interactions, it is quite the opposite.
Hi, Ryan. Hey, Ryan. Hi, Ryan. Hey, Ryan, what's up? Hi, Ryan.
Can I help you? Do you want something?
Oh, no, I'm fine, thanks. You will never believe what just happened.
happened?
So I was walking down the hallway, right? And Ryan just randomly turned around and he talked to me.
No, he didn't.
Yes, he totally
No, he
turned around and
didn't.
talked to me.
Oh my God.
Isn't that cool?
Oh, that was a sure sign of his affections. We'll be back with more How to Be a Teenager after this word from our sponsor.
Look at your man. Back to me. Back to your man. Back to me. Unfortunately, he isn't me. However, if he starts using Old Spice body wash, he could smell like me. Look down. I'm on a boat. Anything is possible when you use Old Spice body wash. I'm on a horse.
Welcome back to Mysteries of Nature. The next step to being a successful teenager requires an extreme reaction to movies. For guys, an action flick is required, followed by a detailed discussion and reenactments if necessary.
Dude! Oh my god! That was like the sweetest thing ever! Where he was like chopping up all the heads, he's like, ah! No, dude, the best part was when he pulled out the two machine guns and was like, oh yeah? Dude, that was part of the Terminator! It was so sweet!
Lovely. For girls, a chick flick is required, followed by an overdramatic reaction and an empty box of tissues.
Oh my goodness, that was so beautiful. I know, right? Did you see the way that Edward looks at her? I would kill for love like that. Oh my goodness. Is Jacob going to take his shirt off? I don't know. Oh my gosh, he did! Oh my god!
Whoa, is everything okay here? Oh my gosh, isn't that stupid Sparkle Fairy movie starring Shirtless Wonder? Never mind.
Did you see that? Oh my gosh. Oh, he put it back on. There's no point in watching anymore.
So moving. Teenagers are infamous for procrastination. The next step to being a successful teenager is the mastery of this art. For males, procrastination is sheer ignorance.
Dude, I really need to get Katie a good Christmas present this year. Yeah, nothing urgent though. It's like December 2nd, so take your time. Just try and pick out something good. Dude, I still haven't got Katie a Christmas present. Are you an idiot? It's December. It's Christmas Eve.
Oh crap, I'll call it right now.
Smooth. She won't be able to see through that one. For girls, however, procrastination is a choice.
Are you alright?
Yeah, I'm good.
Sure.
I just have to pee. That's it.
Well then go.
No, it's too far a walk. I'll just wait till later.
Okay.
Yep.
Logical. The final requirement to being a teenager is being able to beat a 6-year-old at something.
I'm done. What? No, you cheated. That's not fair. I win. No. You ruined the game. You cheated.
Failure. These are the steps we have for now. The creatures known as teenagers are evolving even as we speak. Tune in next week on Mysteries of Nature when we tackle tacadillos.